Artificial intelligence, AI technology is here to stay and it's changing our daily lives.
It's easy to imagine it as something dystopian, like robots taking over the world. But the truth is, AI is already woven into the fabric of our daily lives, whether we realize it or not. Think about it. When you take a selfie, your phone often uses object detection to enhance your image. Facial recognition is the backbone of your phone's security features. When you're shopping online, personalized recommendations pop up based on your browsing history. Even when you're using GPS to navigate, AI is silently at work calculating the fastest route and rerouting you around traffic. It's integrated into countless daily interactions, and most of the time you don't even notice. So what is AI and how does it work? At its core, AI refers to machines designed to mimic human intelligence, learning, reasoning, and even problem-solving. One of the most exciting fields within AI is machine learning. This is a type of AI where systems learn from data rather than following a rigid set of rules. To understand how machine learning works, think of it like teaching a computer to recognize something. For example, we could teach a model to recognize pictures of cats. First, we gather lots of images, some of cats and some of not cats. The computer analyzes these images, identifying patterns, and over time, it gets better at distinguishing a cat from, say, a dog or a chair. This process of learning from data is called training the model. Once a model has been trained, it's ready to be deployed. This means that the AI is now able to perform tasks in real-world applications, such as predicting traffic patterns, precision agriculture, or even diagnosing health conditions. AI services are everywhere, helping industries streamline operations, automate tasks, and make smarter decisions faster than humans ever could. And while the future of AI holds incredible potential, it's worth noting how impactful it already is today. AI is revolutionizing healthcare with advanced diagnostics, reshaping transportation with autonomous vehicle technologies, and improving customer experiences across industries. It's also enhancing accessibility, enabling smarter homes, and even assisting in climate research. The technology is advancing rapidly, and we all have the opportunity to engage with it. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or simply curious, there has never been a better time to learn about AI. The present is shaped by AI, and its evolution will only continue to expand its role in our lives. So get curious. Dive into the world of artificial intelligence and explore how it's transforming our world today. For more information, contact us at www.cloudtechacademy.com.